Alright, so on this one, I think the first thing I'm going to do is change tangent to sine over cosine. So now that's going to be sine squared x over cosine. I'm going to go ahead and get I guess I'm going to go ahead and get a common denominator on this side, right, or sorry, this side right here. So I'm going to multiply times cosine over cosine so that I can add these two things together. So now that's cosine squared over cosine. I'm going to go ahead and just write it as plus sine squared equals 2. Okay, so you know that this is 1, right? So now I have 1 over cosine x equals 2, which is secant. I think you do this different than I do. You like say that this is cosine of half, maybe, or something like that. I think that's what you do. Anyways, hopefully you know what I'm talking about. And so that's pi over 3 and 5 pi over 3.